In this video, we're going to be looking at the new QR code creator feature within the CRM. So first of all, here you can see you can make some great looking QR codes, all of which are tracked right within the system. You can do URLs, so regular websites. You can send people direct to a review link, or you can even make the SMS app open on your phone to send a text message. So the first thing we do is in your menu over here, you're going to go to the sites part, which is web and funnels within our CRM. And from there, you're greeted by this top menu and you're going to click to QR codes. From here, you're going to click create QR code. At this stage, you're going to insert a name here. Now this name is important. It makes it a lot easier to track which ones are which after you've made it. So we'll just call this one a test URL QR. And we'll say that this one's going to a website. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video, and I'll show you how to also use this to send SMS messages. In the example here, we'll put a URL. We hit next. And now we can style it. Okay, so the styling part here, there's 3 different areas within here, and then there's the background as well. So you've actually got 3 different things you can change the color of. The background color of the QR code, which we normally keep white. The dots color is these dots in the middle. The marker color is the border around the dots in the corner. And the marker center is that center part, which I think looks great as being black. In shape and form, we can change the way that this looks with the dots in the middle. I kind of like that one. Let's leave that as rounded. Let's make the centers of that square. In this logo section, we can put something right in the middle of this QR code. For now, let's put in a logo. Okay, looks good. Page background is this section that's in the gray around this QR code. In our example back here, you will have seen how you get this image here, this image behind this one, stylizes those QR codes a little bit more. You can also design these images somewhere else first, and so that you have text in them. And then when you put in that, it's going to have text around it here as well. For this example, I'm not going to. I'll leave that as it is. From here right now, you could just download this. And when you click download, it does save it at the same time. So there's our QR code. The second option we have is for a review link. For this, you need to have already had your, ideally you should have already had your social media profiles linked within your business settings. And this one actually has the text builder built right into it. So again, you can change the text and what image and the logo here at the top and the bottom. And then this QR code here would go straight to leave a review on the platform that you selected in this previous stage here. Okay, onto the SMS option. When you create a QR code, if you say SMS, doesn't matter what, again, just name this something so that you remember what that QR code is. And we say website. Now then, instead of a URL here, what you're going to do is enter a link that looks like this. On our website, you will find an SMS link generator completely for free. You don't have to log in or anything to use it. And you would put in your phone number and the message that you want the text message to be. You'll see in the instructions here, it's important that we take out these spaces and these dashes. And the message, we typically like to keep our messages short. We use this for keyword SMS autoresponders, but you could type any message you want in here. Just try and keep it to within 1 text message length. And we click generate, and then it gives us this code. We go back to our QR code generator and we put that code right there. Okay, now this QR code, when you scan it, will now give you a prompt to open up another application, and that application will be the text messaging app, and it will have that word connect already in the system. Again, we can style it. I'm not going to for right now. Then we have our QR code. From this screen, you can click the three dots and then click to download it. It does download right to your system. Also in the top right hand corner here, if you click Analytics, the first screen that loads up will show all of your QR codes and how many times they've been scanned. So this is how many different unique people have scanned the QR codes, and then how many times those people have scanned them. So 6 people have scanned some of our QR codes, but they were scanned 11 times. Down here, it will break that down for you into each QR code. And if this was really busy, you can also tell it that you only want to see a certain one in your graph here as well. You can change your dates to look at certain time periods as to when they might have been scanned. Really useful for things like events and specific marketing campaigns. And that is how the new QR code feature works. For a full guide of how this works, head over to our website and take a look at the QR code generator feature. We have screenshots, and this video will be on this page as well, and a link to that SMS URL generator, which again is in our menu at the top for you to access for free. Hope this helps.